everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn about Angular and React differences between Angular and React. So practical comparison we will do today and decide which is best for you. If you are a framework or web developer as a fresher and you just start the web development and you want to start the web development and want to become a front end developer, so as a fresher which is best for you, React or Angular. So in this video we cover all the things between tools React and Angular which is best for you. So बने रहिए इस वीडियो के अंत तक. So let's start from the first part. So yes, so अगर आप एंगुलर और रिएक्ट में से किसी एक फ्रेमवर्क को स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं एज ए फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर, स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं अपना कैरियर इन IT इंडस्ट्री, so which is best for you? For that, yes, start from the Angular part. So the Angular developed by the Google and complete framework including everything: routing, forms, HTTP dependency injection, and completely based on the TypeScript. So for the Angular you have to learn JavaScript and TypeScript both. Yeah, great and it's used for the great and large enterprise level applications. So one by one we check all the parameters. Developed by Google, released year 2010, written in JavaScript, fully MVC structure follow in JavaScript. Concept bring JavaScript into HTML, works with the real-time DOM, client-side rendering and data binding. In Angular there is a two-way data binding, a language JavaScript plus HTML. So UI rendering client and server side, you can do the client and server side rendering. So highly active and interactive web application. So its app structure is completely MVC, model view controller. Dependency injection, yes, fully supported. Performance high, DOM real DOM, using the real DOM, but as compared to React, it's using the virtual DOM. So popular application, those are using Angular right now: IBM, PayPal, Freelancer, Upwork, and Google as well. So if we talk about the reactjs, it's developed in 2013, written in same JavaScript, follow the same MVC structure, follow the same JavaScript HTML, but it's completely like in virtual DOM, not in a real DOM. It's worked on the virtual DOM. Server side rendering, it's also supported. In Angular we have a two-way data binding, but in React we have a one-way data binding. So JavaScript or client and server side rendering, and everything is same. It's only one difference: the React is using virtual DOM, but Angular is using real DOM. React using by the application Facebook, Skype, Instagram, and Walmart. So these are the basic differences in the React and Angular. So if you in Angular add-on, React side add-on, if you on your routing, so you can do state management using the React router and Redux. Used and one more benefit for the React, for we can use for web and mobile application. If we do the code same convert into the React native, that will be applicable for the mobile application as well. And अभी बात करते हैं कि which is better for you, React or Angular. So both are easy to learn. If React, talk about React, easy to start but complex when scaling, like many external libraries you have to use. In part about Angular have in React we have a single file. There is a HTML, CSS, and a logic, JavaScript in a same file, so it little bit messy. But if talk about the Angular have all three separate files: HTML file, TypeScript file, CSS file for the every component. So अगर Angular की बात करते हैं तो Angular में सारी फाइल्स अलग होती हैं किसी भी एक कंपोनेंट के लिए. वहाँ पे React में सारी फाइल्स सेम होती हैं. एक ही फाइल में सारा कुछ होता है: HTML, CSS and JS. तो अभी बात करते हैं कि कौन सा आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा एज ए फ्रेशर, एज ए फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर. So for the market, yes, we can say one thing. For the job market, if you are beginner, start with the reactjs. Most demand job market right now, but you want to enterprise level development, go for the Angular. But remember, all those are great framework right now in a 2025. So conclusion is, in 2025, all both Angular and React are amazing choice instead of wasting time with the PHP and Laravel. So because real developer learn by creating, not just by comparing. So you just you are, if you are want to become a front end developer, don't compare, just start. If you are interested with the Angular, and if you are started with the React, just start, not compare, not like confuse. So ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको जैसे स्टार्ट करना है एंगुलर और रिएक्ट. बट for this video, I suggest, like, if you are front end, if you want to work as a front end developer, you just start with the React.js, because React.js is highly demanded in a market right now. So yes, for this you can see right now the React is using by the Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Airbnb, Uber, Netflix, Dropbox. In other hand, Angular is also very popular in a great application like Apple, Google, HBO, Sony, Nike. So yes, but the React is the best demand right now. So I suggest go with the React application.